Hi girls, it's me. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is my second Beauty Army box that I've ever gotten. So this is Beauty Army for March 2013. I've already taken it out of, the shipping package or whatever. So I just want to kind of share with you what I got. So yeah, here's an unboxing. So it came in a white box. This time I was like, ew, it's ugly, but I guess it does have the little logo on there, so it's okay. Inside of it, hold my little card here, it still has the cute pink camo, so, I guess it's okay to have different colors of boxes. Of course, you've got your little card that tells you to look online, and then we have our tissue paper as always. I do have to say that I've really enjoyed Beauty Army. I think that you get a little bit more maybe than Birchbox, even though I love Birchbox. Okay, let's open that up. I'm trying not to let everything spill. Okay, so here is my box. Okay, and I will share with you everything that is in it. And of course, Beauty Army is $12 a month, but you actually get to pick what you want. First of all, my box, of course, cost $12, and the total cost of everything that's in it was $37.78. So that's kind of like a savings of $25.78. It's like paying like 31% of what the value of the items actually is. So it's a pretty good deal. So the first thing I got was this Imani Minerals. It's a foundation primer and serum. It's pretty small, but really, I don't normally buy primers. I usually just use the primers that I get from my little subscription boxes because primers last you forever. I mean, you only need a little bit every day. So I just get them from my different boxes, and I usually don't buy primers. So I was excited to get a primer. It says it's made in the USA, and the Velvety Imani Foundation Primer works as both a base coat as well as a moisturizer. And it says it's mineral, so I'm wondering if this is kind of like a mineral wear because it feels kind of light. Anyway, this is 0.17 ounces, and it's $28 for 0.84 ounces, so this is like a $5.66 value, even though it's small. So I'm kind of excited to try that. Like I said, I love just trying different primers. The next thing I got was another MARC full-size lip gloss. I got one of these last month, and I actually really like the color. It was called Honey something, and it was more my color. This one, I don't really like the color. I didn't like it really on the website. It's called, I think it's called Blow Kisses. I think is what it's called. But it's like, it's bright red, and I'm not really one to wear bright red lip glosses or lipsticks. But you never know. And I got another hookup, and I got a mascara last month, so you can put them both in there and have a little wand in your purse. I already have the mascara with the other lip gloss in my purse. So that was the second thing I got. And the full size, this is full size for MARC, even though they're a little smaller. These are $6.50. So there's that. The next thing I got is a Yes to Tomatoes. It's a clear skin scrub. It's a daily pore scrub. And this is about a $2.49 value. I think there's probably enough in there for maybe 2 face washes. Not a whole lot. It is just a foil packet. But I've kind of wondered about these products, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing I got is really weird. And I have not used these, but I've been seeing them. It's the Boo Boo Cover Up, and I think it's for bruises, from what I understand. Which, I mean, I guess I bruise easily, but basically, it's got 3 different shades in there, I guess if you're tan or if you're, not. Basically, from what I understand, this is like a temporary tattoo that you put over a bruise, and then you put makeup over it, I think, and then it's supposed to virtually disappear. So everything I've read about these says they're actually really good. I'm a little wary to try them because it's just kind of weird. But I guess next time I have a bruise, I will. I don't know. I'm guessing this is about a $3.33 value, since there's like 3 different ones in there. I don't know. The second to last thing I got is this loose pigment eyeshadow. And it's really tiny. It's by Whip Hand, I think. And this is a Beauty Army exclusive. This is about a $2.80 value, and I actually did try this the other day. If I can actually find a picture from when I was wearing this, I'll put it at the end of the video so you can see it. It's like an orange shimmer. It's actually pretty. It's kind of translucent, so I just put it over some other eyeshadow, and I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't think I would like it. So I just dipped my little eyeshadow brush in there and used it, so I liked it. And then the last thing I got is by Skin Cosmetics, and it is a full size. It's a $17 value, and this is a eye, cheek, and lip glow. So I guess you can use it as an eyeshadow, as a blush, or on your lips. It's kind of like a cream formula instead of a powder. And I'm actually close to being out of my blush, so I actually will use this. And I do like the color. It's kind of like a mauve color instead of a bright pink. I usually don't wear bright pink blushes. So yeah. So those are the 6 things I got. Like I said, it's a really good value. It's almost $40 worth of products for $12. And, you know, you do get to pick what's in there. And so I really have enjoyed that about Beauty Army. So yeah, that is my box. And let me know what you guys get. Have a good evening.